Ever since I started using Signalpeak, I've actually been profitable in the crypto market and the Forex market, guys. This is incredible because I used to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on mentors, on groups, on signal providers. Whereas now I paid $350 one time last year, and I have lifetime access to 100 plus crypto groups, over 40 Forex groups, and I make money every single day. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to highlight one group for you today that has been going crazy this week. Let's get a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. Do this for education purposes only. Signalpeak. All right, guys, you can see here with Signalpeak Bot. All right, this is incredible. And I just want to quickly outgo a big thank you to all of you. Look how many people join. Literally, affiliate code start at the bottom. Look how many people join every single day from this community on Crypto Freedom. Thank you so much. Keep that going, guys. All right, you drive me to make more videos. I drive you to make some money. That's how this works. We could scroll back for the longest time. Look, all the way back to last year, we are making crazy, crazy money. Thousands and thousands and thousands of people from this channel I've joined. And today we're going to be talking about infinity signals because they're the best signals of the week. Maybe not of since I joined, but of this week, these are the best signals of the week. And you can see here, guys, all right, absolutely insane. Look at this. Last signals coming through, 128% gain. Mad. 140% gain. Mad. All right, absolutely incredible. So if you want results like this, it's very easy to what you have to do. I really like infinity signals, okay, which actually cost around $800 for the year just for this one group. You don't need to do that. So we go back to where you're seeing all these people join and we click start, okay? I'm going to show you something very, very interesting, all right? This is really cool because if you join today, all right, you're going to get all the VIP groups, over 100 groups for one price of $350 lifetime. Or you could try for absolutely free, and you could try for free right now, okay? Just by getting the free trial. And guess what I've got for you? I got a little bit of a surprise. I'm actually going to save you $100. It's only going to be $250 to get in if you use my link down below, guys. All right, go there right now. Save that $100. You'll never have to pay a fee again. If you want to try for 1 month, it's only $90, as you can see. But guys, this is amazing. Click the 1-day free trial. It will take you straight through, and you get access to all of them. All 100 groups, including this one that I've highlighted today. You're going to get access to it, and you're going to be able to start trading. All right, they've got a good customer support, so make sure you do hit them up as soon as possible. It would cost $15,000 if you bought every single group's lifetime fee. I've checked it. But with Signalpeak, it's only $350. But with my code, it's only $250. It's mind-blowing. There isn't one out there you could pay $250 for just one group. So, guys, you have to get involved in this, all right? Make sure you do hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified. Thank you to everyone who's been joining, and I'll see you next time.